let's move on. So the next thing is the products page. The products page is like a more technical thing where you will see all of your products that we will pull from Shopify. Then you will have the option to set tags for your products so you can analyze these products in group later. Then you will see the options to set the cost of goods for your products, and we have a lot of them. By the way, as a general fact, so what we try to do with Sellerboard for Shopify is give as much as possible flexibility to the sellers, because there are a lot of different models of selling on Shopify, and we kind of want to give the tools to all of the sellers that you have different models. So for instance, the cost of goods is one of the things that we kind of give the different options to choose how you want to do, how you want to set them up. So you can go ahead and just pull the costs from Shopify. You can input them here as a constant. You can set your cost of goods by period or batch. This is a similar model to what we have on Sellerboard for Amazon. Then you can use these latest two options, so like a percentage of the price and a tiered cost. These two options are frequently requested by dropship sellers, so people who are doing dropshipping, because it's easier for them to work with the percentage of the price in terms of cost of goods. And even with the tiered cost, it's like a model when the customer buys more products at once, then the cost of goods will gradually decrease, because like there are manufacturers that say, okay, you buy more, you will have a lower cost of goods. So this is how you can account for that. All right, and then obviously you also have your shipping profile that you need to set up. The shipping profiles are also a thing in profit calculation for Shopify, because you might have different products that will have different shipping costs, and depending on what type of products you are shipping, you will have different price calculation models. So I'm going to get there in a minute, but you can assign those shipping profiles here in the products view. Yeah, and obviously at the end, you can always check your profit per unit. This is a really cool thing, which kind of shows you how profitable it is to sell each product from your listings, depending on the cost that you have attributed to those products. So this is pretty much it. Not to forget the import-export functions that you have, because it's a lot easier to update the data here in bulk. If you have multiple products, you can just use next spreadsheet and upload it, and Sellerboard will attribute the values over there.